Just lays on it immediately. Oh, sneeze. Another one? Nope. Nope. Okay, I think we're good. All right. I hope you guys had an amazing day. And all right, cool. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh man. Yes, these are the thoughts going through my head today. I hope that I didn't let you down with them. Are you close? That's how it happened. I feel like every other word from then on has been like, excuse me, has been like, I've just kind of said it and then waited. Been like, how are you gonna react? How are you gonna react? How are you gonna react? And then if she hasn't cared, then I'm like, alright, I'm in the clear. Oh gosh, sneezing. Oh. Anywho. I'm really excited that that's over, and I think maybe my next game will be Dead Space 2 because I still haven't played that. And I went and got dinner with a girl named Ashley, and she said that. And I want to leave it up to the dice, but I need to figure out what my like top 4. I don't want to roll like a 6-sided. I want to roll a 4-sided. Choose my top 4 colors that I'd like to do.